confused with an everything. All I wanna hear is an episode on replay. Right next to you.
Hey guys, it's me Rachel, and today I'm back with another video for you guys. So it has been a long minute since I've done a straight hair routine, and I feel like so much stuff has changed. I know my last one did pretty well, and it also sparked a lot of conversation within, like, it was almost kind of like natural, like people that don't straighten their hair versus people that straighten and enjoy straightening their hair. And you guys, I feel like it's never that deep over like hair. Like, if you like your hair straight, you straighten it. If you like your hair curly, then you do not straighten your hair, sis. It's all to you guys. You guys, it's your hair. Like, I just feel like, me personally, I like to wear mine straight. Realistically, if I were wanting to wear it curly, I would probably just need to transition or cut it off and start again, which would require me not to straighten my hair. I don't want to not straighten my hair because I like the look of it being straight. So, you get what I'm saying? Like, it's all up to you, and whatever you do, just make sure your hair is as healthy as it can be in whatever state, you know, that you're doing it in. So since that video, a lot of things have changed. I completely forgot that I uploaded one like in February. Disregard that. I was tripping. Do not use that babyless flat iron, you guys, on 460 whatever. Just do not do that. I saw changes in my hair like within 5 uses of it probably. In my first video, I was joking when I say like fry, like fry your hair. I was completely joking. When I say fry your hair, I mean like you straighten it, not literally fry your hair. But that babyless, honestly, the babyless on any temperature, you're probably frying your hair. Like the plates, the titanium, I'm just not with titanium flat irons, so I love my ceramic. I feel like they're so smooth. Yeah, I would not recommend that flat iron on your real hair, but I do use it on my wigs and stuff, and it's fine. So yeah, so for my hair, the updates that I have for you guys is that I did get color. I haven't cut my hair again since the last time that I cut it. I have been getting trims, but I haven't cut my hair. If you follow me on Instagram and TikTok, you probably know that. If you don't, here's my Instagram and here's my TikTok. And then I'll play my little TikToks for you guys of like when I first got it done. Now.
Girl, don't do it. It's not worth it. I'm not gonna do it, girl. I was just thinking about it. I'm not gonna do it. I did it.
Okay, if you're in Atlanta, I will leave where I went down below. She's the best. And then I also have a video on my clip-in extensions. I had to go somewhere different for those because I was in a rush. I was impatient. So, but she's wonderful as well. Both really, really sweet people, which I'm so surprised. I didn't think I would find two like really good. I figured I'd find one good person, but not two. So, pretty happy with that. So yeah, basically when I went and got my hair done, because a lot of people on TikTok asked me what I asked for, I basically just asked for a balayage, which I got. And she did like a money piece in the front, which is like really light in the front. But the rest of my hair just kind of lifted to like a brown mocha kind of color because I have had the black box dye, which you guys saw me doing 7 months ago. Here's what I'll say. I feel like in that moment, I love the black box dye. I feel like it made my hair shiny, beautiful, all of that. But if you intend to lighten your hair, it's really a hassle if you have black box dye on it. It's super hard to get off. So my hair didn't lift very light the first time because I have layers of box dye on my hair. So it lifted once. I'm probably gonna go back. It's been a little bit over a month. So I'm probably gonna go back for my birthday, which is August 14th. So I'm gonna go back and just get it lighter and see what happens. And getting into my new straight hair routine. So the reason that I've been waiting so long to show you guys is because I want to make sure, or like actually get into a routine with this hair and show you guys what I actually do. Most of you guys know if you have colored hair, Olaplex is the best. I feel like if I paid money to get my hair done, I might as well pay the money for the products that it needs. I used to think when people would say like colored hair is so expensive and like a lot of maintenance. I don't know. I guess I didn't really believe it because I wanted it, but it definitely is very expensive. I paid $300 to get it in the balayage, and then these products are all about maybe like $30 each. I'll try to leave the price on the screen if I'm not mistaken, but I'll definitely leave them down below as well. First, I'm gonna wash my hair with this Olaplex number 4 and 5. And these products are amazing for damaged hair and color treated hair. They work wonders. This deep condition, of course, I'm gonna be using the Olaplex number 3. And this one I actually didn't get on Sephora. I got it on Amazon, but then I read all the reviews of, I think I have like 11,000 reviews. Mostly good. I think it might have almost been 5 stars. But then some people got my brain kind of wondering because they were saying make sure that the Olaplex is real on Amazon. So I feel like this has been working, but next time I'm just gonna go ahead and get it from Sephora. Use the Olaplex, and I'm also gonna mix it with this Briogeo Be Gentle, Be Kind Avocado and Kiwi Mega Moisture Superfood Mask. And this is one of my new favorites. I did not know Briogeo was black owned. If you watched my last few Probably the Straight Hair Routines, I think I ran out of it by the one I posted in February, but I was obsessed with that blow dry perfection cream. This is what this one looks like, and I have to tell you guys, this literally smells like a candy store, like every sour candy in the world that you can possibly think of. I think today I'm gonna mix a little bit of the Olaplex number 7 bonding oil into that mask just to put it all over my hair for a deep treatment, but I'm also gonna add this before I straighten because I know this does work as like a heat protectant as well. And last but not least, I'm gonna use the Olaplex number 6 as a leave-in before I straighten my hair as well. And I think this one is like a nice protection counter product as well. I have to get up and go wash my hair, and then I will be back to put on my new conditioners and show you guys my super cool new thing that I've been using to deep condition my hair. And I don't know, I just think it's pretty funny, so be right back. And I forgot one product to show you guys. I'll just put a picture up. But I did use the Moroccan Oil Purple Shampoo. So yeah, I've just been using that to tone out my hair. And I also wanted to show you guys what I was super excited to show y'all, which is this conditioning cap. I got this cap on Amazon, and if you guys can see on the inside, it's like, basically it heats up. So this is the cord. This isn't sponsored, I paid for it. So it comes with this part and then the shower cap. So yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and start putting this in my hair because my camera's dying, and then I'm gonna put my cap on and sit for about 1 to 2 hours.
I would like to get to know if I could be the kind of girl that you could be down for. Cause when I look at you, I feel something tell me.
Sorry y'all, my camera died, but I just finished this side, and I'm gonna go ahead and do this side before it dies again.
Move on, move. And if I don't let you know, then I won't be for real. I could be wrong, but I feel like something could be going on. The more I see you, the more that it becomes so true. There ain't no other for me, it's only you. I wanna be down with what you're going through. I wanna be down. I wanna be down with you. Down with you.
Okay guys, so now I'm gonna put on my shower cap, and then I'm gonna put on my heating cap, and I'm gonna sit under it for like 1 to 2 hours. Okay y'all, I'm super sleepy at this point, but I went ahead and put in the Olaplex number 6 and the bonding oil. The blow dry I'm just gonna use my Revlon One Step. I've been using this for about a year now, and I'm enjoying it.
Whoever thought a guy would want a girl like me? Whoever thought that I would fall so easily? Whoever thought that we would finally come to be? I guess they just don't know how much you mean to me. Whoever thought that they would have so much to say? We'll go on anyway. It's alright, it's okay. Take whatever comes our way. Together we will stay. I got 3 words to say. Never say never. I can't believe they stop our happiness, but trying to pull us down with such mess. Why can't they let us live just like the rest and keep us out of all this crazy madness? And when they talk, I think it's just a shame that all they do is sit and think my name, when all that I do is mainly sit and think about my baby and me. And baby, they can't believe they can't. You and me are together. That's why they should have never said never. Yeah. There were times when we thought that you and me could never be together. That's why we should have never said never. Said never. Whoever thought a guy would want a girl like me? Whoever thought that I would fall so easily? Finally come to be. I guess they just don't know what you mean to me. Whoever thought that they would have so much to say? Go on anyway. It's alright, it's okay. Do whatever comes our way. Together we will stay.
So for my straightening, I'm just gonna use this HSI Professional Ceramic Flat Iron, and I'm gonna put it on 430. So not too bad. I probably could use less, but I really want my hair to be straight, so.
I guess they all have their own PhDs. I wish that they would just stop sweating me. Stop trying to get the best of me. No matter